If, after today's video, you still can't define your exact niche, then it's simple. YouTube isn't made for you, and you're not going to become YouTube's favorite. For the past 3 years, I've been silently testing faceless YouTube channels. Their strategy, their psychology, their algorithm game, and the pattern I've decoded recently. When you see the results, you'll literally thank me. Well, if you're short on time, watch this video at 2x speed. If ads disturb you, comment below. I'll even turn monetization off. Because the truth is, 90% of creators are still chasing the same old, oversaturated niches. AI tutorials, faceless motivation, trend-based content that worked 2 to 3 years ago but doesn't work now. And when they don't get the growth they expect, instead of improving themselves, they blame YouTube. But at this exact time, some creators are quietly dominating faceless spaces that almost no one talks about. Last month, I analyzed more than 100 fast-growing faceless channels on YouTube and discovered something surprising. 90% of the top performers had one thing in common. They weren't chasing trends. They were working in extremely specific, ignored niches. So if you want to stop chasing trends and build a channel that works in 2026 and beyond, watch this video till the end, so you don't have to keep watching random videos again and again. Today, I'm going to tell you 9 faceless YouTube niches for 2026. If you start now, serious growth is possible by mid-year. Niche number 1, stick figure animation. The first breakout channel in this niche was Chase FR. It hasn't even completed 100 videos yet and has reached nearly 5 million subscribers. I won't talk about earnings. That would make the video unnecessarily long. But we all know, where there are massive views, earnings are next level. Interestingly, another similar channel in this niche hasn't even completed 2 months and has uploaded fewer than 10 videos, yet already gained over 500k subscribers. And it's not just these two. Many similar channels are using the same simple stick figure animation format and doubling their growth. The crazy part? You can create these animations using Google Flow, CapCut, or even the FlipK app from the Play Store for free. Niche number 2, economics and finance, cartoon style. Most creators overlook this niche, thinking it's complex or requires a degree. But here's something interesting. The channels dominating this space use the opposite approach. No complex charts, no heavy academic jargon. Instead, cartoon monkeys. Yes, cartoon monkeys. Channels like Primate Economics and Monkey Explains use simple 2D animations to explain inflation, trade, cost of living, clearly and simply. Primate Economics gained over 500k subscribers and 28 million views with just 23 videos. Monkey Explains built a massive community with only 45 uploads. The secret? People want to understand economics because it affects their daily life. But most videos are either too simple or too complex. These channels hit the sweet spot. Simple visuals, clear breakdown, smart storytelling. The RPM in this niche is insane because you attract professionals and business owners. And you don't need an economics background. Use ChatGPT for research, Recraft for visuals, 11 Labs for voiceover, CapCut or KineMaster for editing. Niche number 3, scam game/simulation explainers. Most creators ignore this niche, thinking it requires heavy 3D editing. But actually, you just screen record scam simulation or high-intensity games and explain the suspense scenes. One channel, Changes Scams, uploaded 22 videos and gained over 3 million views. You don't need to write stories. The game provides the storyline. Just add suspense commentary. Niche number 4, digital culture documentary. Channels like Internet Anarchist and Tell Us More dominate this niche. They don't rely on drama. They create cinematic documentaries about internet creators' rise and fall, scandals, and cultural moments. They mix journalism and storytelling. People want to understand digital personalities, but don't have time to follow everyone. These channels act as curators. Niche number 5. Book breakdowns and concept summaries. This niche has evolved beyond simple book recaps. Channels like Escaping Ordinary and A Little Bit Better turn psychology and business lessons into cinematic storytelling with animation. Escaping Ordinary grew to 1.7 million subscribers with just 16 uploads. The audience here is growth-driven and self-improvement focused. Niche number 6. Life millions of years ago. Prehistoric life, early humans, dinosaurs, evolution. Channel Hominid History gained 96 million views in 7 months and crossed 400,000 subscribers. This niche works because it mixes mystery, survival, and origin stories. Visuals matter more than long scripts. Niche number 7. Visual painted explainers. Hand-drawn style explanation channels like the Paint Explainer gained over 250 million views. Simple drawings feel authentic in an overproduced content world. Sometimes less is more. Niche number 8. Historical deep dives. Laser-focused history documentaries like WW2 breakdowns. Evergreen niche. Long videos mean higher watch time and stronger recommendations. Niche number 9. AI documentaries. Instead of reviewing AI tools, these creators build cinematic narratives about how AI is shaping humanity. They analyze long-term impact, not trends. This attracts high-value audiences like tech professionals and entrepreneurs. So these were 9 faceless YouTube niches that can dominate in 2026. Each niche has a different audience and workflow. But one thing is common. You can build influence without showing your face. But choosing a niche is only step 1. The real question is, how do you start a faceless channel properly and grow from the beginning? I've created a complete step-by-step video that explains everything practically. If you're serious about building your faceless YouTube journey in 2026, click here and watch the next video. 0 views problem on new channel. Stop uploading until you fix this. It will show you exactly how to turn what you learned today into an action plan. I'll see you there.